갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는
For making a choco chip cookies, we need first 100 grams of unsalted butter, which I already kept out from the freezer to get it in a room temperature. Then we need 50 to 60 grams of dark choco chips, and we need 116 grams of refined flour. Then we need 20 grams of cocoa powder and 5 grams of baking soda, which I've already put with cocoa powder and mix it with a spoon. Next, and we need a sugar, which is also 100 grams. So we will start our procedure of making a choco chip cookies. First, we will add our unsalted butter into a mixing bowl, and then we will add our sugar. So now we will just first mix it with a gentle hands, and then we're gonna cream it nicely till the time the sugar will dissolve into the butter. We want to make our cookies to look fluffy. If we do not follow this procedure, the cookies will gonna not come in the proper texture. So we need our cookies to be very much fine defined. So we will just now mix our butter and we just make it out a very creamy texture. So guys, now as you can see that I've already creamed our butter and sugar. Now it's a time to put our flour into it and our cocoa powder into it. So as I have told you that I have already mixed a baking soda with the cocoa powder. So now we will add both of them and combine and mix well. So we will first mix it with a spoon, and then we will add into it. Now we have just the put little bit spoon in middle, and then we have to mix it with butter and sugar mixture. We do not want to be very fast, otherwise it will not gonna mix with that. So we want each and every cookies have a proper baking soda and a proper cocoa powder and everything.
I'm going crazy. 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루.
So guys, now we will add our choco chip into the mixture and we will mix it well. So as you can see that our dough for the cookie has already been made, and we already added our moldy choco chips into it. So guys, as you can see that I have already made the mixture, and you can see that already there is a choco chips in there. We will set it aside for a while, and when it get little bit settled down, we will just add a cookie dough into our baking tray. So guys, now our dough has already been set. Now we will gonna make a small round balls of it, and we just make a round ball of it, not big, a little one, and then we're gonna place in the tray, and we will maintain a gap between the cookies, because if there will be not a 2-finger gap between the cookies, it will not gonna mix well. So now as you can see that I am started making a round of cookie dough. our cookies has been ready to bake. We have already preheated our oven into a 200 degrees Celsius. Now we will keep it in a baking, and we will bake these cookies around for 15 to 12 minutes. We do not want to bake it much. Once it get emulsify and it will gonna get a crack from the upper part, you can see that our cookies is ready. So guys, now our cookies has already been baked, so we will take it out from the oven. We have to be very careful. You can see the cracks over the cookies. It is a sign that yes, your cookies has already been baked, and really it looks so tempting and so delicious. So we will keep these cookies aside for a while, and we will let it set down cool. Once it will get cool, we will just take it out from the our tray, and we will serve it on a plate.